Get 52% off at click link in this video. 1-piece CS clamp set 60, 90-120th degrees corner clamp with angle clamp, woodworking frame clamp corner, holder woodworking hand tool. This product has been sold for over 5,000 times and it has more than 1,000 reviews on it. Buy right now, get 52% off at the 1-piece CS clamp set 60, 90-120th degrees corner clamp with angle clamp, woodworking frame clamp corner holder woodworking hand tool is an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast. The set consists of 12 clamps, each capable of holding a workpiece at an angle of 60, 90, or 120 degrees. One of the standout features of this clamp is its versatility. The ability to hold a workpiece at different angles makes it perfect for a wide range of purposes. Whether you are building a picture frame, cabinet, or any other woodworking project, these clamps will come in handy. The clamps are made of high-quality materials that are both durable and reliable. The body of the clamp is made of aluminum alloy, which is lightweight and strong. The clamp pads are made of soft PVC, which prevents damage to the workpiece. The pads are also removable, which makes them easy. The clamps are easy to use, even for those who are new to woodworking. To use the clamp, simply place the workpiece between the pads and tighten the clamp. The clamps are spring-loaded, which makes them easy to adjust and ensures that they apply even pressure to the workpiece. The set comes with 12 clamps, which provides ample coverage for most woodworking projects. The clamps are also compact, which makes them easy to store when not removed. They come in a convenient carrying case that can spend overnight